Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. I have a product review today. Now this is a 360 degree central machinery 3-inch swivel vise. All right. Okay, there's a top of it. All right. Now, ever since I built this workbench out of 3 2x4s, and while I was building it, I kept thinking to myself, I need to get a vise to put on to mount on the top of the workbench, so that way, whatever project I do, if I need a vise, I'll have a vise. So, my wife bought me last year for Christmas the Harbor Freight Tool Inside Track Club, and she also gave me a $25 gift card. Now, I went to Harbor Freight Tool a while back, and I bought I bought a couple things, and I think I had like $17 left on it. So I called Harbor Freight Tools up, and I told them that I was on the Harbor Freight Tools app, and I saw a vise for $29.99. But with the Harbor Freight Tools Inside Track Club, this vise was $24.99. So she said yes, she had one in stock, and I said, can you put it aside, and I'll run up and I'll get it. She goes, okay. So I ran up and I got it. I ended up only paying $9 and a little bit of change for this vise. So we're going to open it up, check it out, and see how to mount it. So let's get started. All right, so right here, let it open. All right, so this is what the inside looks like, or inside the box looks like. All right, it's got the vise. Now we can go ahead and lift it up. And let's see here. I got some. Let's see. I got a central machinery 3-inch swivel manual. All right. So let's set the box aside. Let's bring the vise over. All right, so let's take the packaging off. Okay, set that right there. All right, so let's see here. So this is supposed to swivel 360 degrees. So I'm going to keep that like that. Now, right over here, there is a bar here. All right, so there's a bar here. I guess what you do is you turn the bar. There we go, like that. Turn bar like that. That one over here the same way. Whoop, that tightens it. There we go, in like that. And, oh, okay. So it swivels 360 degrees. Cool. All right, which is a nice feature. And when you want to tighten it back up, you just tighten it back up like this. So it's like that. And the same thing goes to the other side. Oh, other way around. Just like that. All right, and let's see here, the jaws right here. Oh, there we go. Okay, that's pretty good. So that's let me get a tape measure. All right. Okay, so that right there, this opening right here looks as far as it'll go. So this is approximately 3 inches. Okay, so it's right. It says 3 inches right there where my finger's tapping, which is nice. You know, of course, you can't put nothing deep. You know, like say you have a big fat 2x4 or something. You want the 2x4 to go down further. It won't, because of that piece, because this long bar right here, which is attached to it. All right, so let's bring it back in. And whoop, other way, there we go. All the way around, like so. using Vise as template, mark 3 mounting holes, which is 3 mounting holes. So there is a hole, let's see here. So there's a hole here, another hole here, and I have to flip it upside down, and there's a hole right here. So let's see if we can mount it. Alright, so I got my my screws. I got a screw with 2 different size washers. It's like that right there. I'm not sure. I think this is an inch wide, and I believe maybe this washer is a 1/2 inch wide. 2-inch screw. I believe it's a wood screw. And the same thing goes for these ones right here. And I also have, this is a self-tapping screw. I believe this is 1 inch, and I think 1.5 inches. And I also have a regular wood screw that's about 1.25 inches. So, because what I have to take one of these screws, pre-drill the hole first. We'll take the marker, do the dots inside of the holes where the screw's gonna go. And then once I do that, then I can use, like I said, one of these 2 screws to make pre-holes. Then I can go ahead and take my drill and screw these ones down for temporarily, because I'm going to end up having to buy bolt. I have bolt, but this 4-volt Ryobi little handheld drill ain't going to cut it with the power. All right, okay. So first thing I'm going to do, take my black marker. I'm going to put a dot right there. And there's also another hole right here, right? So right there, all right. Now what I have to do is I have to open the jaw as far as it can go. So that way, this until this opening right here is 100% visible. All right, that should be good enough. So now we can put it right, like right there. Okay, so all right, so now I got all my three holes with the black marker dotted. All right. Now what I can do is I can take Ryobi drill. All right, so move you guys over a little bit more. Let's start this one first. All right, I got to do this. All right. Now I have to start the other side. Okay. Do the same thing to this side. All right, so now that I got this hole here and this hole here, all right, move you guys right there. Okay, so since I have these two holes here already pre-drilled with a like I said, 1 inch, I believe that's, like I said, 1.5 inch drill or screw. Now I can go ahead and take these screws, put them right here. And okay, so these two are now these two are on. All right, so these two are done. Now what I'm going to do is, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get the screw in here, and it looks like I might be able to. So I'm going to take the self-tapping screw, start a hole right here, or pre-drill it. All right, now I take this last one, put it right there. Let me see, put you guys on the side here a little bit, so at least you guys can see it. Because I don't want my hand directly in the way of the camera. Put it like that. And like I said, and voila. Okay, you put the jaw back. And there we go. Alright, so I got myself, this is my jack handle. So I'm going to open up the vise. So I'm going to open up the vise like that, put it in here like this, and oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's on there. I'm putting all my might on it. Nope, it's not going anywhere. Not going anywhere. All right, everybody. So everything worked out good. It's not that bad. It's actually really good. So I am going to link this vise down in the description. So if anybody has a Harbor Freight Tools Inside Track Club, and you go on harborfreighttools.com and you type in, and the model number is 59115. Okay, so like I said, I will link it. So if anybody watches video and you're interested, just click on the link and I'll bring you right to it. I think it's a good deal. Okay, I really do think it's a good deal. I think it's good quality because, like I said, I don't need nothing gigantic. I just need a simple device. Simple device. Can't believe I said simple device. A simple device to do little odds and ends work, projects and stuff like that. So I think it's worth it. Okay, you can, like I said, you can just set something here, whatever. So, and it swivels 360 degrees. So I think it's a good deal. I really think it's a good deal. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, subscribe, like, and share. And I'll see you all in the next video.